So I just want to talk about our surface area worksheet and what I am expecting from you. So you're going to have your worksheet. It's going to look something like this. You are going to want to grab some sort of scratch paper. So I would go grab a graph paper or something like that. That's just my preferred thing in math. You can grab whatever you want, but it needs to be a paper, not a whiteboard. I have to see your work when you are done, okay? So for each part, we've talked about I have to see those nets. Now, it does not have to be that perfectly unfolded net that's all connected and that would fold back up. But it does, I need to see each of the shapes. So here is what I'm talking about, right? So I should be able to see, like this was, I had this base, I had two of these, I had this triangle, right? I wrote that I had two of those. I know it's backwards too, but right, this triangle 2 times. I had this, and then I'm finding my answer working like across, right? Do you see how I'm making it organized, like each problem kind of works across? It's not just like random all over the page, okay? All right, my shapes work across. If I need more room than just that, that's totally fine, okay? But I'm expecting you to draw those out. I know some of the math you can do in your heads. That's great, but I'm expecting you to have the shape and it has to be labeled, right? Like this one was 13 by 7. Here's my dimensions when I was done. This triangle was 13 by 12. I had 2 of them. I wrote out, I'm sorry, it's backwards. I had, right, 13 times 12, base times height. I cut it in half, I times by 2. So I know lots of you have realized if I have 2, I'm just going to divide in times. That's the same thing, right? But I have to see that that's what you did. So now here is the deal. You're going to do the work. When I have seen this, when I've seen all of this, if you would like, you are welcome to check your work with a calculator. Okay, you can get on Google, type in calculator, but I have to see this. If I see you on a calculator and I don't see this, we got a problem. Okay, so you get the calculator after as a checking tool, because this is a lot of math and a lot of things to like keep track of, and it could be easy to make a simple mistake. So, but I still have to, you have to go and find your mistake, okay? Because you're just going to come up with the answer with the calculator. You've still got to go and find, oh, where did I go wrong? And you need to circle like, oh, this is the part I did wrong. So on the next one, you know, oh, that's something I need to watch out for. So that's the deal, okay? So please, I am allowing you to use calculators to check your work, so please use them the correct way so we can continue that, okay? So if you have any questions about that, let me know, and then in the next video, I will go over, if you're stuck on any of the problems, how to do them.